Hi everybody, this is Cathy from Cathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a reveal, and this reveal is for the loaded envelope swap that me and Tree from Krafts hosted, and we had some amazing crafters join us in this collaboration of swapping for the loaded envelope. So this package looks a little bit bigger than I had expected. We were supposed to do a USPS mailer. Anyways, this comes from Janet. Okay, so it was more of a domino effect. It wasn't paired one-to-one. It was if, like, say I gave to oh my gosh, who did I give to? I gave to Andre Gould. I'm sorry, Andre. I gave to Andre Gould, and Andre gave to somebody else, and it was just the domino effect of going of it like that. So the person that gave to me was Janet, and Janet is Lady Chica Baby here on YouTube, and I will link her down in the description below. Actually, I will link all the ladies that were in the swap down in the description below. Ladies, thank you so much for doing this with us. We had so much fun. So basically what we did, we created before we paired everybody up, so that way you create it at your own liking. So I mean, it wasn't just, you know, sometimes when you do a project or you're paired with somebody, you kind of overstress because you're like, ooh, is this person gonna like what I made? But this one was more of a fun swap where you created to your own liking, and then you were swapping with another person. So let's go ahead and see what Janet sent me, and I can't wait to see. And oh my goodness, I see chocolates. Look at it, I see chocolates. You guys are probably gonna be the first ones to see all this. And OMG, I was gonna say she shrink wrapped it, but no, she just, oh my goodness, I think she put, oh, there you go. Okay, ooh, chocolate, you guys, look at chocolate. Oh my goodness. Should I share? I don't know if I should share with my kids. I will share. And she put a whole bunch of kisses. Ooh. Okay. So I saw this, and she did shrink wrap it. I was like, hey, this one looks like a shrink wrap. So let's go ahead and see this. Excuse the crinkle. And oh, how cute. You guys, look at my new crafty buddy. Look at her. She's so cute. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. She is she a unicorn? I want to say she's a unicorn. She's so cute. Oh, okay. So she's going to be my crafty buddy from now on. And so let's go ahead and see. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, look at. Okay, so there you go. Oh, it's so cute. Look at you guys. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So let me cut it open so you guys don't hear all the crinkle. So hold on. Or should I? No, let me put. So I was gonna try. Hold on. Okay, you guys. So OMG, she overloaded this envelope. OMG, look at you guys. It came apart, but that's okay, because you know what, I could put tape over it and everything, so it's okay. So let's go ahead, and first thing that fell off was this beautiful pen, and I am a pen fanatic, so awesome, thank you, yay. And then I see this. I don't see a card. Maybe it's in here somewhere. Oh my goodness, she did a little like tassel. Oh, this is so cute. How creative. She put little flowers up here. She put little stickers in here, and then she put this ring, fuzzy little heart up here, keychain with some. Oh, how cute. This is so cute. And then she added an extra little what is it called? Oh my gosh, key thing. Oh my goodness, I can't even think. This is so pretty. Did you make this, Janet? That's pretty. I like it. And then she did this, and then over here she put a bunch of little let me see, they look like little frames. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one, and you guys, this might be a long video, but that's okay. I do not mind. And let's go ahead and see. Oh my gosh, these are little frames. Oh my goodness, did she layer? Looks like she layered a whole bunch of little frames. Let me see. It looks like she did. Oh, sorry you guys. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Oh my goodness, this is like an eraser. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean for it to fall apart. Oh my goodness. Is that an eraser? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at you guys. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, and she colored it, and then she put like Nouveau dots, the black Nouveau dots on there. They are so cute. So she gifted me a few of these, and oh my gosh, I think they all look the same. Oh, they're sticking in here. So let me show you. And the thing on this one fell off, but that's okay. I can glue it. You guys, don't worry. If something falls off your creations, don't stress over it, you guys. I know a few ladies stress over it when that happens, but that's okay. That's okay, because we are all crafters and we could always put it back together. So don't stress over it. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. Did you make these? Are these like resin? Oh my goodness, they're so cute. They look like an eraser. So, okay. So let me go ahead and put my scissors on the side. And this one's another one. Oh my gosh, these are so darn adorable. Oh my goodness, I love these. Thank you so much, Janet. OMG, and let me see. Do I open this? Oh my goodness. Look at how creative. So she did hearts, and then she did like, oh my gosh, she did like oh my goodness, I love how she did this. I would have never thought of doing a heart. Oh my gosh, what do you call it when you like glue them together and make a little, oh my gosh, I've done this before in a circle, but not in a heart. How cute. So she gifted me a few of them. That's an awesome idea. I am gonna steal one of your ideas, Janet. And she, look, you guys, she made sure I have a few of them. And then I forgot to tell you guys, she went ahead and put stickles on the edging. Look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, I'm trying not to like scream or anything because everybody here in my household is asleep. So there you go. I'm probably not going to put it back together the way I got it. And then she did put these little heart things. So yay, it's okay. And then she put this little cute I think it was like a chipboard, and then she went ahead and embellished it. Oh my goodness. Not a a cork border. And oh, that is so cute. And then let me see this. Oh, how cute. So these are little extra little like embellishment stuff that I can use. This looks like washi tape, and these looks like it was a die cut. Oh wow, how creative. And this feels like a napkin. And washi tape right here. That is so cute. Oh, and then what did you do to the heart? It looks like she put a whole bunch of little flowers in here. But wow, how did you do that? It looks like flowers, but it's not flowers, you guys. But it looks like flowers. And the little pocket where these things came in. How cute. Little pocket. And then more candy. You girl, you must know I love candy, huh? Oh my goodness. Let me see. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. So these are hearts. Sorry, you guys. Oh, how cute. And I don't know what these little girls are called, but they're so darn cute. Look at these. So cute. So anyways, this is like a little frame, and she went ahead and put these cute little embellishment hearts in here. And then what she did is she layered them. Oh my goodness. She put a, I think this is like a little, might have been like a little bracelet. She put a heart in there, and then she used that tool from Dollar Tree, and like a little, I love that little punch that she used. It's like a flower. It's so cute. And this is a foam on the outer side. That is so creative. My goodness. And then this cute little frame. Oh my goodness. Sorry, you guys. And then I love how she did this. She did the Winkastella, or not the Winkastella. Yeah, the Winkastella or the stickles around it. And then she did a nouveau ring right there. And this is a cute little frame. Oh, I think it's a card. Oh, it's a card. Oh, pretty. So pretty. Here, I got stuck with this art. Oh, so cute. I love how she did this. So so creative. And then she gifted me a few straws. Oh, you guys, I forget to use my straws. Oh my goodness. I am collecting these like crazy. But they're so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at the colors. So cute. Okay. And then she gifted me these. You know what? I actually need these right now. My eyes feel so hot. Oh, thank you. I need these right now. Like, totally need them. Okay. So, let me see. She did a little fry. Oh my goodness. And then she embellished it. Oh my goodness. Embossed it. Not, well, she embellished it, but she embossed it. Look at you guys. And then she embossed it, she colored it, and then she put the nouveau drops right there, and then she put some lace right here, and this bow. I don't know if that's the way the bow's supposed to be, or it went to the side. And look at that, so cute. I love it. How creative. And then she put these in here, and then let me see. So you guys, she did a little heart pocket. She went ahead and put two of the white hearts from Dollar Tree, and she went ahead and laced it, kind of sewed it together, and she did the cross stitching, not cross stitching, but she did a bow right here. How cute. I never would have thought of that. You guys are so talented. We learned so many different tricks and ideas from you guys. And this is like a little, is it like a little banner, I want to say? How cute. It's a little heart with the gem in here and some tulle, and then on the bottom she has it as a little banner, kind of like a flag. And she did this. Oh, look at this one. She laced on that one. That's one. And this one. So awesome way to use some of your scraps doing this. So yay. So you guys know I can never put stuff back together, so I do apologize. And she gifted me some of these hearts. You know what? I didn't even get a chance to get any of these. So thank you. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh my gosh, this was really loaded. And then she went ahead and did a little pocket. And then she went ahead and put, what is it called? Washi tape. And then I think I can open it right here. It's like a little kind of like a shaker pocket kind of thing. But, oh my goodness. And she put these cute little embellishments in here. How cute. How cute. These are so cute. So she did strips on this again. And she put some, what is it called? A trim here. And then some gems on the side. That is really, really creative, you guys. That is so cute. I love it. Okay. Okay. Let me see. And then she did this right here. A little die cut with the rosette, a small rosette with a scallop circle and some trim on the sides. And this is cute. This is a Dollar Tree sticker. And then kisses. And then how cute. This little girl's so cute. And she put a little bow on here. How cute. That is so cute. This is a cute paper clip. Let me see. Oh. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I want to yell. I want to yell. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. So this, she gifted me some of these trims. How cute. Die cuts. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness, thank you. Oh my goodness. And then she's some of the rose. Oh my god. Is this a cricket? I want to say it's a cricket. Might not be a die cut. Could be a die cut, but it might be a cricket. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be making flowers. Yay. Thank you, Janet. Okay, this one hopefully I do put it back in here. You guys, it takes me a while just to put stuff back in here. Okay. See? Okay. Sorry. This one goes with this one. And then, oh, she did this cute little flowers. How cute. And she used this Dollar Tree little foam circles or foam balls. And then she did a little paper clip right here with this cute little candy foamy thing. And then, how cute. That is so cute. Let me see. Let me turn this to the side. And then she did another one over here. And there you go. And then she put a bunch of these that I never got at Dollar Tree. So, yeah, because I don't go to Dollar Tree. Well, I hadn't gone to Dollar Tree in a while. And then let me see this. Ooh, how cute. And I think this is more candy. Chocolate. Oh, awesome. Thank you so much. More chocolate. Oh my gosh, girl, you don't know how much chocolate I eat and candy I eat. Let me see. More candy. Oh, look at you guys. This is the bottom of her pocket. And then it looks like she used a window cling on here. She could have, oh, she used what is it called, double-sided tape on the bottom. I was gonna do that to mine and I think I forgot. And then she gifted me these extras. These are stickers or stamps, I mean, and I have not seen these at Dollar Tree, especially this last time I went. Did not see them. And yay, thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. What are they called? Oh, LOL. Oh my goodness, sorry. You know, my niece used to love LOL. Can you tell I didn't pay much attention? I don't even know what they're called. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. And then she gifted me these theme, like journaling cards. And these are pretty colors. Thank you. I like. So again, you guys, this is Janet. On here on YouTube, she is oh my gosh, she got, oh my gosh, I totally blanked out. Oh my gosh, you didn't even put a card, Janet. I will link her down under the description below so you guys can go over and check out her channel. Oh my gosh, Chica Baby 1. Oh my gosh, sorry. You guys see, that's how fast and soon I forget stuff. Oh my gosh, I have Alzheimer's here. So anyways, thank you for being my swap partner or swapping, or yeah, thank you for joining us, and thank you for hopefully you enjoyed, you know, everything, and hopefully you can participate with us again next year. Thank you, ladies, everybody that participated in this loaded envelope swap. I had so much creating, and I had so much opening and watching all of these beautiful creations, and I can't wait to see everybody's videos and see how what happened. Oh my goodness, can't wait. Anyways, thank you again. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.